Hi, my name is Bart Kamski and I'd like to show you my animated drill with sounds, which is going to be marketplace asset. So this is a skeletal mesh, and first of all I'm going to show you what you can do with materials. So you can change color, you can change roughness, but also you can change the age of it. So when old is on 1, it is worn off, but it is 0, it is brand new. Okay, and it is a skeletal mesh. So here are its bones, and I'm going to show you how it works and what you can do. So this is a whole blueprint, and it is connected to the Z and X keys to change gears, E to change batteries, and everything has a sound. And obviously so yeah, let me show you how it works. Here are the controls, and I'm going to show you the animation blueprint. And here are the animations that are procedural, and it reads those values from blueprint. And I'm going to show you how sounds work, because sounds work like a proper car engine. So there are few 8 different sounds of drill with different frequencies, and there is continuous modulator that changes its pitch, and there is also a crossfade by param. So when you change the speed parameter, it goes fluently from very low to very high speed. And there is also drill stop, and there is also change and attenuation. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's simple. You can just place it in your hand of your character, and you're ready to go to fix something or drill a hole in something. So it's going to be on marketplace. The link is down below. Guys, thanks for watching, and see you next time.